Every day we promise ourselves that today I will stay focused and will complete the task. But the moment the phone buzzes, poof, focus gone. In this video, I will share 5 simple yet powerful tips to boost your focus power, and trust me, no boring advice here. Tip number 1, the 2-minute rule. Whenever a task feels too big or overwhelming, tell yourself, I will just start for 2 minutes. It tricks your brain into starting, and once you begin, it is much easier to keep going. Tip number 2, declutter your space. A messy desk often leads to a messy mind. Clean your workspace, remove distractions, and you will instantly feel calmer and more focused. Tip number 3, single task mode. Multitasking might look productive, but it actually kills your focus. Do one thing at a time. When you complete a task fully, your brain feels rewarded, and that keeps your energy high. Tip number 4, 25-minute focus blocks. Try the Pomodoro technique, which is 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. It keeps your brain fresh and helps you maintain concentration for longer hours. Tip number 5, digital detox moments. Notifications are the biggest focus destroyers. Try having at least one no phone hour every day. You will be surprised how peaceful and productive that 1 hour feels. Focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, comment, #focus mode on, and subscribe for more productivity and lifestyle videos on curated clicks. Thank you. Bye bye.